And this is a carbon fiber tripod made by SIRUI. I'm sorry, I don't know the name, but it's a nice tripod that goes up to eye level. It's got removable feet, so you can take them off and put on the spikes that they give you. That's really good if you're on dirt, if you're on ice, snow. You know what I mean? It's crazy. The bag probably weighed more than the tripod. I like what it comes in. I like that it comes in this blue case. It's a lot bigger than what I thought it was. Oh no, the tripod actually ends right about here. Ooh. That's dope. We got the feet. These are removable, like I said. Got these 3 little spikes, anchors. What? Yo, that's crazy. Okay, so you twist these, which isn't bad, you know what I mean? That's alright. You can infinitely adjust it. Oh dang, it's got some numbers at the bottom, so you can remember exactly what you need to set it to if you want to shoot the same exact shot from last time. I like that, nice, quick. And then because you got all these rubber grips, you can like twist them all at the same time. And then a removable hook that I'm gonna put on here. I'm gonna let my backpack sit on the bottom. Tripod that fell over. Oh, alright. Almost broke my camera. So not taking no more risks. Bought a better tripod, one that I can weigh down, stake into the ground. The button is for the legs to go all the way out. So you know what I mean? Now you can hang your book bag off of it. Let's throw this on this and let's tape us outside. Yeah, I'd say this setup is pretty much perfect. Just dealing with it. It does support the weight like it says. There is no bending. It absorbs the shot. Beautiful, y'all. I don't even know if y'all felt that. Y'all probably like, what shock? Especially with it weighted down. Yeah, dog. I'm just kind of out here shooting pictures of kimchi and the scenery. I ended up getting something off accident because this ground isn't level, but I got the ball head kind of flat. And it's got all levels on it. This Andeer ball head, I definitely endorse. The only thing that kind of worries me is just that you don't have a full lock, but there is no way for the camera to slide out. You have to lift it left and out. So, you know what I mean? I guess if you were shaking it about, it could fly if it was loose. But as long as it's on there, it's pretty locked in, and I never had a mistake of it being too loose or sliding forward on me. So yeah, and I'm just gonna spend the rest of the day taking some pictures with kimchi and editing y'all a video.